What happens when you try to dig down to the center of the Earth? During the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union weren't just racing to space, they were racing into the ground. In 1970, the Soviets started drilling the Kola Superdeep Borehole. Their goal was to drill as deep as possible to uncover the secrets of the Earth's crust. Over 2 decades, they managed to drill down 12.2 kilometers. That is deeper than the bottom of the Mariana Trench, and it remains the deepest artificial point on our planet. But suddenly, the drilling stopped. Why? The biggest enemy they faced was something they severely miscalculated: the temperature. As the drill went deeper, scientists predicted the rocks would be around 100 degrees Celsius. But as they approached the 12-kilometer mark, the heat spiked to a blistering 180 degrees Celsius, that's 356 degrees Fahrenheit. At this depth, the drilling equipment was pushed to its absolute limit. The extreme friction and ambient heat made it incredibly difficult to keep the drill bits cool enough to prevent the metal from softening and twisting apart. But the heat caused an even bigger, weirder problem. Under that massive pressure and 180-degree heat, the solid rock of the Earth's crust stopped acting like normal rock. It started behaving like a plastic. Imagine trying to dig a deep hole into hot, heavy dough or silly putty. The rock would literally ooze and creep back into the borehole, binding up the drill string and making the hole collapse on itself. They tried for years to push past it, but it was physically impossible with mechanical rotary drills. Combined with the collapse of the Soviet Union, which completely wiped out their funding, the project was finally abandoned and the hole was bolted shut.